To every trader and investor across the globe, this is your moment. The gold, the euro, the dollar. These markets reward vision, discipline, and timing. And that's exactly what we stand for. I'm Ghazi Dilawar, inviting you to join a new era of trading excellence. A global alliance built on collaboration and coordination. We're not just a team, we're a network of elite minds where experience meets innovation and strategy meets success. In this world of volatility and opportunity, only those who move together grow together. Whether you trade gold or currencies, it's time to align your potential with purpose. Here, your skill is valued, your growth is supported, your success is shared. Join Team Ghazi Dilawar, where every trade is backed by intelligence, every decision is driven by data, and every member becomes part of something greater. Because the future of trading isn't individual, it's collaborative. This is your opportunity to rise.